Wanting a professional qualification in their resume, right kind of job profiles, the right kind of opportunities to be unlocked at courses such as ACCA or CFA. I am Rashesh Majatia. I am an ACCA and a CFA aspirant, and in today's video, I will take you through all the necessary details that you need to know for your clarity. Here at Zell Education, we provide training for these qualifications, and on this channel, you'll find a quality range of these videos which will help you get more and more clarity, be it about the course details, about other comparisons with, say, something like an MBA or other courses, and many more helpful videos. Jumping into today's video, guys, the very first thing I want to talk about is the major difference between ACCA and CFA. Very simply, in plain words, ACCA is an accounts first qualification, CFA is a finance first qualification. If someone chooses to study ACCA, they are ensuring that they build an expertise in the field of accounts, which primarily includes things like financial reporting, audit and assurance, taxation, and more. And in that more element is where they learn other things like business leadership, financial management, and various other principles like costing, etc. etc. But if they are to look at primary job domains, then ACCAs do end up in the field of accounting advisory, audit and attestation, and more. Whereas if we look at CFA, then CFA, like I mentioned, is a finance first qualification. Across its three levels, students develop a true expertise in the field of finance, and that's why CFA is known as the #1 finance qualification in the world. If we are looking at profiles for CFA, it is truly in the field of investment banking, mergers and acquisitions, due diligence, and other finance domains in various boutique firms, in companies in their finance department, etc. etc. Next, let's try and address another question that you might have. What should you do right now? So, CFA is something that a lot of candidates do and they work alongside with it. Commonly, CFA, the earliest a student can give this exam, which is their level 1, is in their second year of their graduate studies. So if you're just finishing with your 12th, if you're starting or expecting to start your college anytime soon, then you still have to wait before you are eligible to give your CFA exam. Another perk with CFA is that candidates who finish level 1 itself have enough value in isolation to start working basis their CFA level 1, and as they keep working, they keep passing the level 2 and level 3 and become CFA charter holder. ACCA, on the other hand, is normally started by candidates finishing their 12th grade, and even earlier, if you're in your 10th grade and meet certain criteria, you can start your ACCA. Normally, candidates who do ACCA try and complete it along with their graduation, and if they're doing it after their graduation, then they take advantage of certain exemptions that ACCA offers and jumpstart their ACCA journey. If you wish to find out more about these exemptions, here's a video that you can refer to, and it will also be in the video's description. Moving on, I would personally advise you that rather than choosing what course to do, you look at which career profile do you want to end up in and do some reverse calculations and understand which course gets you there first. Also, do not discount the idea of pursuing both the courses. A lot of our candidates look at doing both ACCA and CFA. Candidates do their ACCA first and start working, and then do CFA to further upskill themselves, further look at promotion opportunities, and most importantly, prove to an employer that they possess an expertise in both accounting and finance. If you wish to get a proper study plan on how to pursue ACCA, how to pursue CFA, how to map out pursuing both, then I'm sure one of our counselors can help you. If you wish to reach out to us and get a conversation started, there will be details again in the video's description. Finally, guys, we'll talk about the difficulty level in ACCA and CFA. Now, of course, if you've reached until this point of the video, I'm sure of your capabilities of pursuing either of the courses, because you're already investing enough time to plan your academic journey and take one step above the masses. But coming to the factual data, ACCA has an average pass rate of about 40 to 45% globally, whereas Zell's pass rate for ACCA stands at 80 to 85%, basis which we are platinum approved partners by ACCA. Coming to CFA, CFA's pass rates range from 30 to 45%, but the beautiful part here is that the pass rates for level 2 and level 3 are higher. So once you clear level 1, you know of your ability to go all the way and clear all 3 levels. At the end of the day, these are just numbers, and where it really comes down to is how many hours can you put when you go and pursue this qualification, and how much effort and commitment you have to get it done. So I'm hoping that this video has been extremely beneficial for you in making a decision. If you've gotten any information in today's video that helps you make a better decision, then I'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section. And I recommend that you look at our playlists for ACCA or CFA and continue learning about these qualifications before you start studying them. Thank you.